welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels. I'm back with another crochet video. Right now I'm growing my hair, so I'm gonna be wearing a lot of crochets because they're natural and I really like the look. So if you like this look, I will be showing the braiding pattern and different ways of how to wear this hairstyle. So thank you so much for your support. If you had already subscribed, I really appreciate the love and the support. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. So this is the hair that I'm using, Expression, and it's coily loop, okay, and it's a number 1. I'm going to show you the texture of this hair. Alright, so this is the hair, and I'm going to take it out. Okay, it's really nice. I like it. Alright, it's kind of short, but I don't mind. I hope it can do, because I only got 2 packs. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this time around I'm gonna be doing this braiding pattern a little different. I'm gonna be braiding the back upwards. It was a little challenging because my arms were hurting so much, but I did this braiding pattern because I wanted to wear my crochet hairstyle in a ponytail, which is very convenient for me. So stay tuned and I'll let you see how it got done. completed installing this crochet hairstyle, I'm going to show you what kind of styles I can wear with it. I can wear it on one side, as you see that I'm trying to fix it right. You can play with it and see what fits your face. You can wear it on both sides. As you can see, it's very versatile. I love this hairstyle. It's really nice. And here you can see that I've put it up in a ponytail. I've used a band. You can use anything and put it up in a ponytail. It's very convenient and I really love it. So this completes my tutorial. I hope you love it. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I see you guys later with another tutorial. Bye for now.